Hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. It's still hot here, a hot medium Sudoku we have. In today's daily newspaper of Wednesday, August the 5th, 2020, yes. The second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. This one will be number 1287, and with Sudokus, I always count the printed numbers so I can compare with the Sudokus in the additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. The 1 star has 27 printed numbers. I do not know how many numbers the medium Sudoku has. This one, let me count. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 5 is 14, 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 5 is 27. And if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, with extra Sudokus, this will be a 1 star Sudoku. Why do I know? Why I need to know how many printed numbers? Because the difficult level is not always depends on this number. You can say the less this number, the difficulty level will be higher, but it's not always. Sometimes with the 4-star Sudoku, I solve it within 30 minutes or quicker. So you cannot say the less this number, the difficulty level will be higher. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get started. Alright, in this row, 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. In this big square, we have a 2 and an 8, so no 2 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this row are the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And now and now in this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see here already a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 8. Yes, 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Then 2, 8 and 9. Let me see. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 6. 1, 5, 6. And I see here 1 and a 5 here. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 6. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then yeah, we have a 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 will be here or there. The same story with the 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here, together with the 6. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. I've marked this for you, so you can easily follow it. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this last row for the number 1. Then the 2 in the first column, the 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. And now, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now I have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 6. Yeah. Alright. And now We have two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in the third row. For the numbers 3 and 8, or 3 and 8, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this... No. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, how about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers here. I think I cannot fill this yet. Those numbers are the 1 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet, 1 and a 6. How about these 2 numbers in the third column? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 6. Yeah, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 number left in this second row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, you can subscribe only if you want, only if you will, and hit the bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last, not really last, but the last regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.